welcome to the CoastalCraftFilAm channel. Today I'm going to be showing you some Filipino books that I got for my children since I'm going to be starting to teach them the Filipino language or Tagalog. So I was looking like a lot of places in the Philippines and I found this store which sells like really cheap books. They sold some cheap books for the kids, so I got a few of them and I'm going to show you what I got today. So some of these are very thin books, but they're only like 14 peso, which is just like a few like cents in dollars. So they're very cheap. So the first two that I got, they were a little bit thicker. Was this classic Florante and Lara in a short version. So this is just I'm just gonna these are for older kids, so this is not for beginners, but I just got it because I don't know when we're gonna be back in the Philippines again. This one is also another classic. It's called the Ibong Adarna, which is taught in like curriculums in the Philippines. So I grew up with these two books when I was in the Philippines, so I want to teach this to my kids as well when they get better with their Tagalog. So as you can see here, so these are just like mass-produced copies, but I don't really care. These are good for like teaching them to expand their vocabulary in Filipino. So those are the more intermediate books that I got. The beginners books are these. So I'm gonna categorize them with like English titles. So the English titles, like this Alice in Wonderland, it actually has, as you can see here, it has a Filipino translation on the inside, so they can actually color it. So you can see here, so the English is in the top in big letters, and then there is a translation in Tagalog on the bottom. So these are the English titles. I got Alice, and I got another Florante and Lara. This is a Tagalog title, so I'll categorize it. So this one is in Tagalog, so the Tagalog language is also like in bigger font than the English translation. So your kids can color them, and yeah, like I said, it's like 14 peso each, which is really cheap. So I got that for, I categorized them, the English and the Filipino. And these are really fun stories, especially the Alamat ones or the legends in the Philippines. They're really fun. And this is the Magic Porridge Pot. And then, oh, and as you can see in the back, they have all the list of all their titles that they sell. And I keep on going back in the store and I started collecting them. So as you can see here, it's 14. So this is good for like short stories at night. There's Sleeping Beauty. There's a sample of the picture. So it goes in the English. And I got Beauty and the Beast title. Let's just speed up with this. We got Ang Alamat ng Maya. So this is the inside. This goes in the Tagalog. Ang Dalag, Suso, Potakte, at Tutubi. It's Tagalog title. So this here, Ang Langgam at ang Supladong Ibon. Ang Lihim ni Kokoy Unggoy. And we got another English title here. We got Tarzan. We got the Ang Alamat ng Unang Ahas. So my favorites are these Alamat. This is like a legend of the first snake. So this is nice. Ang Insektong Kulang sa Pansin. Ang Alamat ng Iba't Ibang Lahi. So this is a legend of a different races. Ang Awit ng Ibong Adarna. So this is another version of the Ibong Adarna. It's just a shorter version of this. This is a Tagalog title. Ang Alamat ng Ilog Pasig. So this is a big river in the main island. Ang Alamat ng Pakwan, The Legend of the Watermelon. Ang Tsinelas ni Tonyo. Ang Palalong Matsing. This one is a famous one. Fable, Ang Kwento ni Mariang Alimango. We got here Rapunzel. The Princess and the Frog, so that goes in the English title. We got Jack and the Beanstalk. So I'll show you the inside for this. So yes, you can see the English is in bigger font. We got Hansel and Gretel. The Boy and the Wolf. The Goose and the Golden Eggs. And I got here a basic reading book for kids. Like, it's the first Abakada Pangunahing Bagbasa. So this is the primary steps of reading for kids. So this one is very useful for like beginners. And my phone's about to die, so I'm speeding this up. The Diligent Rooster Crow. The Sharky and Tiggy. The Proud Gumamela. This is like Gumamela is hibiscus. Gulliver's Travel. The Ant and the Dove. So I got a bunch of English titles here. Three Little Pigs. Raffy the Kind Giraffe. And The Shoemaker and the Elves. So these are all the English titles. I still have more over here, so I'm gonna pull that up. The titles that I have right now, and then I got some additional ones here. Ang Alamat ng Makopa. So this is the title, this is Tagalog title. The Pied Piper. Another English one, Pinocchio. So go to the inside on that one. This one is in a darker paper. This is Bakit Kulay Itim ang Uwak. Ang Alamat ni Bernardo Carpio. The Great Big Turnip. The Emperor's New Clothes. Si Bebong at ang Genie. The Gingerbread Man. Let's look at the inside of that. Harry and the Golden Torch. I think this is derived from Harry Potter. The Magic Pouch. The Giant Wise Goats and the Giant. It's in the English. Tom Thumb. Frog Prince. Ang Alamat ng Saging, which is the Legend of Bananas. And the last two is the Coachman and Hercules and Tom Thumb. So with all these copies that I got, I probably just paid less than 1,000 peso, which is a pretty good deal. So I'm glad I brought this here. So I just want to show you the books and my English titles, and I got 31 English titles and 19 Tagalog titles. So that's like 14 times 14 of that is like 700 peso, plus this one is like 50 peso a piece. Oh, it's not 50, I think it's 80. This one is 60. Oh, this is 50 and this is 50. So this is 100, so that's 800, and then I got 14 peso for this. So it's only 814 peso for all of that. So that's a pretty good deal. So you really get a lot of bang for your buck when you shop in the Philippines, which I like. So thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.